Now, a lot of times trainers will say, stick to the basics, right? I get it. Don't make things complex. I get the whole 9 yards. However, when I hear basics, I do not think of specific exercises. And I think this is where I may differ from a lot of trainers. They may look at it and think, well, that means push ups and squats versus, some of these funkier exercises you may see for being different sake, right? For exercises, to me, there are just complex and non-complex exercises, or simple and less simple exercises. But I don't think that means sticking to the basics means honoring some list of certain exercises. To me, it means honoring those 8 main functional movements we talked about in the principles module, which we've listed again right there. All right. So, because why is that? Because all actions in life or in sport are derivatives of those 8 main functional movements you see on the screen before you: jumping and throwing, or jumping and landing, throwing and striking, locomotion, rotation, pushing, pulling, knee bend, hip hinge.